Wow. What's a papaya? Oh, there's another lime guy.
Turn here.
Oh, wow. I want to go down there eventually. This is beautiful. Keep going. What about some fabric? Make yourself a... Sorry. And Crocs. Okay, we'll go this way back. Get myself some flip-flops. What?
Go down this way.
Okay.
Uni.
Hold on. Maybe you went too forward.
Oh, Lordy. No, you're not. It's right here. Korean restaurant.
1 p.m.
1 p.m.?
1 p.m.
Oh, okay.
10 minutes.
10
10
minutes.
minutes.
We can look around. Yeah, it's fine.
10 minutes wait.
Yeah, I'm starting to realize that nobody really comes
कितना खराब नहीं देखना
You're not Ubering? Okay, I'm just gonna grab one of these tuk-tuks then. Ask him to take us to our hotel. Most of them are okay with that. I mean, how I did in China. Otherwise, they're gonna be standing here getting bum rushed by beggars. Okay, go.